Hello and welcome to the live Hoover production studio broadcast. Today is Thursday, October 26th, 2023. Today in Schaumburg there will be a high of 67 and a low of 64 with rain and clouds. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Bears won against the Raiders last weekend with a score of 30-12. They will play the Saints this Sunday. Next week's theme Thursday will be Fall Colors Day. Wear your orange, red, yellow, and brown to show your fall spirit. Next week, Tuesday, is Halloween. The all-school parade will begin at 1:15 and classroom parties will follow after. Remember to bring your costume to school and make sure you follow our acceptable costume guidelines. Just remember, every Thursday is pizza day. Hope you brought your $3 to buy a slice. School store is tomorrow. Bring your money or your hot cash to make a purchase. And now a word from Mrs. Zingler and Mrs. Gibble.
Morning, Hawks. We hope your day is off to a fantastic start. As we start our Thursday together, we wanted to just give a giant shout out to all of our families and students and teachers families who came out to our MIC teacher night last night. It was an enormous success, and thank you so much to our PTA who organized it. It was sure fun to see everyone at McDonald's yesterday. We'd like to wish the following students a very happy birthday. Happy birthday to Amagani and Eileen in room 214. Happy birthday. Just a reminder that tomorrow is school store. I know many of you are planning to bring your hot cash and money from home. Just a reminder, that is at lunchtime tomorrow.
And Mrs. Zingler, I heard there's a special celebration later today.
There is. Do you know what it is?
I think it's the all-school assembly. We are very excited to celebrate a lot today this afternoon with our whole school PBIS assembly. Just some reminders for our assembly. When we are in the assembly, we want to be respectful to the speaker, whether that be Mrs. Zingler, myself, teachers, or other students sharing their celebrations. We also want to make sure that we come in quietly, but we can also have a little bit of fun. Thank you so much for following the assembly expectations this afternoon. I know you can do it. Looking forward to it.
Hawks, have a fantastic day, and remember, when you reach for the stars, you can achieve greatness.
Thank you, Mrs. Zingler and Mrs. Gibble. This week's broadcast has been brought to you by our Classroom of the Week, Ms. Hussein's 6th grade classroom. Thank you for tuning in to the Hoover broadcast. We will see you next Thursday.